Good morning, student. Today we will be solving numericals on refraction at curved surface, and we will be studying the event method of solving, student. Now, student, already what we know is that when the refraction takes place at curved surface, student. This is one medium, this is another medium, student, and the light rays travels from here to here. So for this case, student, we have already derived the formula mu2 upon v minus mu1 upon u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon r. Now, student, here what you have to understand is about mu2 and mu1. Mu1 means where the light travels first. Light travels first. First, student, I am saying. And mu2 means where light travels second. Light travels second. So what is the first and second means? Suppose I have a glass here and this is air, and the light starts from here and then it goes to glass. So in this case, student, the mu2 is air, it is 1, and mu1 is glass, it is 1.5. This I want to explain the meaning of this formula. Suppose, student, first medium is air, and this is glass. Then for this, student, the mu is 1.5 and mu is equal to 1. So for this case, student, first the light is in air. So in this case, mu1 is 1 and mu2 is 1.5. This difference you have to understand, student, to solve this problem. So don't consider mu2 and mu1 as denser and rarer. That I want to say. Mu2 may be rarer, mu2 may be denser also. But you have to remember where the light travels first, that is mu1. Where the light travels second, that is mu2. This you have to remember, student. Now, student, we will solve one numerical. Suppose this is a glass. Suppose, student, this is the glass. Refractive index 3/2. Radius of curvature of this glass is 10. And here one object is kept at a distance of 5 centimeters from here. This is object, student. I have to find out final image. Final image. I have to locate final image, student. Now in this case, student, we will solve by event method. Event method. What is event, student? Here if you observe, there are two events taking place. First, refraction is taking place at this surface, student. See. This is a straight line, student. I have just curved it. It is a straight line. The light will refract first along this way somewhere here. Now again here the second refraction will take place. Something like this, student. So this surface, this is I am taking it as event 1. And refraction here will be considered as event 2. So first event 1, student. I will write first this formula. mu2 upon v upon mu1 upon u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon r. Now event 1, student, image I have to find out mu2, student. Now see mu2. One more thing, sign convention. Light is traveling this way. For this surface, student, this is positive direction and this is negative direction. This is origin, student. Now mu2 is 3 upon 2, 1.5. V I have to find out. Minus mu1 is air, student. 1, u minus 5, mu2 minus mu1, 1.5. R student, radius of curvature for this is, it is given 10. So this side positive, plus 10 I will take R. So this student I will solve it. This will become, if I solve it, it is 1 by 20 student, minus 1 by 5, minus 3 by 20. Now if I solve it student, V will be equal to 1.5 into 20 upon 3. Minus sign, this is 0.5. So V is minus 10 student. So student, this is the image for the first surface, first event I am saying. This I am writing it here. V1 it is minus 10. Minus 10 means image will be somewhere for this surface, somewhere this side student. So this you have to remember. Now the second surface. Now see for this surface student. Light is coming, this is the origin, light is coming this side. So this is positive, this is negative. Now I am solving for event 2 student. So event 2 means refraction at the second surface. Refraction at second surface. Event 2. Again student, I will write the formula first. Now student, you have to remember, for this event, this surface, this is first medium, this is second. So mu1 is glass student, this you have to remember. And mu2 is air, second surface is air for the second event. So this is air 1. Now student, image, this image I have to find out. Minus mu1 is 1.5. U student, now one more thing. The U for this is image of the first. U for this event is image of the first. Now see, the first image is, as already we said, minus 10, means from here minus 10. But I have to take distance from here student. So what is the object distance for this surface? This is R is 10, this is 20, plus 10, 30. So object distance for second surface is 20 student, and it is 30 student. Got it? How I got 30? Because the image of this is the object of this. The image of this is formed at minus 10. Minus 10 means from here minus 10. But I have to see from this surface. So R is 10, this is 20, plus 10, 30. So image of this is the object for this. So this I have written minus 30 is equal to student mu2. Mu2 already I told you it is 1 point. Now R of this surface, I have to go this side, minus 10. Now student, I will solve this. 1 upon V plus 1 upon 1.5 upon 30 is equal to 0.5 upon minus 10 student. This will become, this if I solve it student, it is minus 1 by 20 this will go this side, minus this I can write 15 by 300. Now student, you see 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 by 20 minus minus 2 by 20. So V comes out to be minus 10, student. So what is the meaning of minus 10? Means from here, this side, somewhere at the center, image is formed, student. At the center, the image, in this case, as the data we have taken, at the center, the image will be formed, student. This is the meaning of minus 10, student. So like this, student, by the help of event method, you can solve any numerical of this category. Now let's see the another question, student. Again, student, we are taking a spherical glass. It is a glass, student. Of refractive index 3 by 2. Now I am taking, student, the R of this glass as 20. Now say the object is kept here. Now object distance is 10 centimeters, student. Now, student, I want to say one thing about, suppose, student, suppose in this case it is given the image is also at 10 from here. Final image at 10 centimeters. Suppose it is like this, and suppose the mu is, at present the mu is not given to you. It is a material. This is the case which is given, student. This is the object. This is the image. Okay, student, means it is at 10, this is also at 10. So this, student, you have to remember the concept for this question. If this is the case, this means the rays after entering from here, it becomes parallel to the base. It is like this, student. If the object and image are at same distance, this means the rays becomes parallel. This you have to remember, student. Rays becomes parallel after refraction. Means it is symmetrical, then only it is possible. And the rays becomes parallel means the image for this first surface is at infinity. This is the first event, student. This is second. So first surface, second surface. So what I will do, I will take the case of event 1. The event 1 image is formed at infinity. The rays parallel means the image is at for this surface. Sign convention. This is positive, this is negative. And I will apply refraction formula, student. Mu 2 upon V, mu 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Now, student, mu 2, this event 1 is, student, okay, event 1. Mu 2 is unknown, image infinity, minus mu 1, air, object 10 centimeter. This I have written, student, R1 upon R2. This is mu 2 minus mu 1 upon R. Now student, mu2 I have to find out. It is 1. Now R for this is positive, plus 20 student. Now student, see, you will you can get the equation student very easily. See, 1 by this is 0, 1 by 10 is equal to mu2 minus 1 upon 20. So mu2 upon 20 is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. And this, if you solve it student, it is 3 by 20. Mu2 upon 20 is equal to 3 by 20. So mu2 will be equal to 60 upon 20. Mu2 comes out to be 3 student. Refractive index of this medium comes out to be 3. So only by first event I got the answer student. Now student, let's check by the event method, means by solving both the event, whether still I am getting the same answer or not. Okay student. So by this method I got mu is equal to 3. Now student, I am again resolving it. Now suppose this concept I don't know, suppose the rays becomes parallel, this I don't know. Okay, these are the data which are given. I have to find out final image, that I have to find out. Then event 1 student, again I will write the formula mu2 minus mu1 upon R, means R of this. So mu2 is mu2 I have calculated 3, V I have to find out, mu1 is 1, U is minus 10, 3 minus 1, R is plus 20 student. So this is 2 by 20, this is 1 by 10. So 3 by V will become 1 by 10, minus minus plus will become minus. See student, 3 by V is equal to 0. So V is equal to 3 by 0. See student, I am getting V is equal to infinity. I am getting. And this V is equal to image of this. This is object for second event. Now second event I am solving. Event number 2. Again I will write first this equation. Mu2 upon V, mu2 minus mu1 upon R. This is student, now see, the light is traveling from here to here. So second medium is air now. Image I have to find out. First medium is glass, 3. U for the first is the image of the, U of the second is the image of the first student. So U is infinity. Is equal to student, mu2, second, air, 1 minus 3, R for this from here to here, minus 20 I have to take. Now student, this is 0. 1 by V is equal to minus 2 upon minus 20. See student, I got the answer, V is equal to 10. So in the starting what I did is, I have taken object 10, image 10 given. Okay student, refractive index I have to calculate. So I have solved it by one method. Second case what I have done is, the mu is 3, object is this. I have calculated this. Again I got answer 10. So this is the one way of solving this question student, refraction spherical surface. Now this formula is very important student, because from this formula another a very important derivative formula comes, and that is lens maker's formula student. Lens maker's formula. What is lens maker formula student? If you remember it, the formula is 1 by F is equal to mu minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This mu, if I write it in detail, it is actually mu of the medium, it is upon mu of the surrounding, minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is medium, material of the lens. This is lens. This is surrounding. For example, air. On that this formula is derived. Now, student, I can derive this formula. Say if I have a convex lens, this is the first surface, this is the second surface, student. So refraction at this surface, I will apply the formula for event 1. Event 1. Now formula is this, student. I am drawing the figure with more clarity, student. This is the lens. This is first surface, student. This is second surface. And this lens is very thin, student, okay? This is optical center. Now here somewhere is the object. First refraction here. This event I am writing, student, for this surface, okay? For this the image I am writing V1 minus mu1 upon object distance, student, is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon R1. This is the first equation, student. Remember, student, this is a very thin lens. So distance from here will be taken as the same as distance from this. Now, student, second event, second surface. Event 2. For this surface, student, sign convention, you have to remember it. For this surface, the light is going this side, so positive, this side negative. Same thing with this surface. Light is going this side positive, this side, this direction is negative. Now I am applying the formula for this surface, second event, student. For this surface, this is first medium and air is second medium, student. Air is second medium. So here, student, what I have to write is this is the basic formula, student. So second medium in this case is air. So I will write mu1. Image of this image I have to locate, student, minus mu1. For this mu1, first medium is glass, student. So I have to write mu2 here. For this the object is the image of this. Image of this, student, is equal to, student, mu2 minus mu1. Second first. Second is air here. First is glass upon R2, student. R2. Now I am not writing the sign of R2, student. 2. Now, student, you add 1 and 2. You add 1 and 2. जब हम 1 and 2 ऐड करेंगे, स्टूडेंट, सी दिस पार्ट विल कैंसिल और यहाँ जो हमारे पास बचेगा mu1 अपॉन v माइनस mu1 अपॉन u इज इक्वल टू, इसको हम ऐड करेंगे, स्टूडेंट, इन दोनों को, mu2 माइनस mu1 अपॉन r1 प्लस mu1 माइनस mu2 अपॉन r2. अब हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, स्टूडेंट, R2 का साइन कन्वेंशन रख देंगे. R2 नेगेटिव है, स्टूडेंट, तो यहां हम इसको माइनस करेंगे, स्टूडेंट. अब स्टूडेंट, हम इसको यहां पे आई एम राइटिंग this becomes mu1 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to mu2 माइनस mu1 हमने कॉमन ले लिया स्टूडेंट, वन अपॉन r1 स्टूडेंट। इसको मैं यहीं पे आपको सिंप्लीफाई करके दिखा दे रहा हूं इसको। दिस कैन बी रिटन एज mu1 mu2 माइनस mu1 r1 प्लस this will become student mu2 minus mu1 upon r2. Once again student, I am repeating it. First I have solved it for this surface. This equation I have applied student. So this equation when I am applying here student, you see mu2, this is image of first surface b1 I have written, mu1 object of first surface, this is I have written student, and u is equal to mu2 minus b1 r1 for this surface. Then student I have applied the case for this surface. For this surface student, you have to apply this formula again. So for this surface second medium is air. Second medium is air. So I am writing the air part here student. First for this surface is glass. So I am writing glass refractive index here. Now object for this is image of the first. So this I have written image of the first student. Is equal to student again mu1 minus mu2, because this is second, so this second is air. So that's why I am writing first. Minus mu2 upon r2 student. Upon r2 student. So here student what to do is, this part student I am solving it again so that it does not confuse you. When I am adding these two equations students, see what I am getting. Mu1 upon v minus mu1 upon u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon r1 plus mu1 minus mu2 upon r2. If I take here minus out student, then it will become mu2 minus mu1 upon r1 minus mu2 minus mu1 upon r2. This minus I have taken out student. Now student, here is the formula. Upon 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Now student, this becomes 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to mu2 upon 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Now student, this is 1 by f. So now the same formula you get of the lens maker formula. As the lens maker formula student, you got it. Now you can check the same formula. So this is student one way of deriving it. One way of deriving the lens maker's formula student. Now when you solve the numerical, you have to apply the sign convention once again on this formula. So okay student, today only this much. We will continue in the next class.